Living a Balanced Life with Yoga and Meditation, Part 2, Practical Tips. The underlying principles of yoga go far beyond simple physical postures and instead focus on connecting with the deeper aspects of our being. Near the end of this video, I will share a free resource that will teach you how to live a balanced life. Now, let's continue from where we left off in Part 1. If you recall, body mechanics refers to your body's movement and flexibility and how it functions as you go about your daily activities. Here are some specific ways in which yoga helps improve body mechanics. 1. Improved posture. Many poses require you to maintain a straight spine, engage your core muscles, and align your body correctly. This can help to reduce the risk of back pain and other posture-related problems. 2. Increased flexibility. As you perform poses, you stretch your muscles and improve your range of motion, making it easier to move your body correctly during daily activities. 3. Enhance balance. By practicing poses regularly, you can train your body to better control and stabilize your movements, reducing the risk of falls and improving coordination. 4. Better breathing. Yoga emphasizes breathing techniques that can help to improve lung capacity and oxygenation throughout the body. This can result in more efficient movement patterns and better overall physical function. 5. Spirituality and living a balanced life with yoga practice. The underlying principles of yoga go far beyond simple physical postures and instead focus on connecting with the deeper aspects of our being. It is a spiritual art that promotes spiritual harmony by fostering self-awareness and self-realization. By exploring the deeper aspects of our being, we can connect with our true nature and purpose. It encourages compassion, empathy, and kindness, leading to a more fulfilling and spiritually satisfying life. The spiritual principles of the art are deeply interconnected with the physical and mental components of the discipline. The art focuses on 3 key principles: asana physical postures, pranayama breathing, and mind quieting skills. Asana is the physical movement that involves specific postures to increase flexibility and strength. These physical exercises help release tension in the body and promote circulation, reducing stress and creating a sense of calm. Pranayama is the skill of controlling the breath, which helps to improve concentration, reduce stress, and quiet the mind. The breath is the link between the physical and spiritual aspects, and with each breath, we can connect to our inner selves and find a sense of inner peace. Meditation is the skill of quieting the mind and focusing on the present moment. It is a discipline of introspection, self-awareness, and reflection that creates space for spiritual growth and inner transformation. By calming the mind, we can develop spiritual awareness, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of inner stillness. The integration of these key principles helps to create a sense of spiritual harmony within ourselves. By connecting to our breath, quieting our mind, and looking inward, we can cultivate a deeper understanding and awareness of our inner selves. This helps to reduce stress, anxiety, and mental clutter, creating a sense of calm and inner peace. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine can help you achieve spiritual harmony, a relaxed mind, and inner growth. Here are some of the ways it can help you achieve more equilibrium in life. 1. Time management. One of the most significant factors that can throw us off balance is poor time management. Yoga will teach us to prioritize our time and focus on the most important aspects of our lives. By participating regularly, you learn to make time for it, which helps you manage your time more effectively. This improves your ability to balance work, family, relationships, and personal time. 2. Emotional regulation. Yoga teaches us how to regulate our emotions and respond positively to stressors. By participating regularly, you learn to listen to your body and respond to its needs. You will develop a greater sense of self-awareness, leading to better emotional regulation. This helps to reduce feelings of anxiety, overwhelm, and burnout, leading to a more fulfilling life. 3. Better sleep. Yoga promotes better sleep quality by reducing stress and anxiety. Through consistent use, you acquire the skill of calming both your mind and body, ultimately improving the quality of your sleep. Quality sleep helps to boost your energy levels, enhance your mood, and improve your overall health and well-being. 4. Balanced nutrition. Yoga helps promote a mindful and holistic approach to nutrition by encouraging you to listen to your body's needs. With consistency, you develop a heightened sense of the impact various foods have on your physical and mental well-being. This leads to better nutritional choices, which contributes to a healthier life. In conclusion, yoga offers a holistic approach by promoting emotional, mental, physical, and spiritual harmony. This age-old custom provides workable and feasible techniques to assist you in attaining a more cohesive existence. By prioritizing your practice and developing self-awareness, you can learn how to manage your time, regulate your emotions, sleep better, and make healthier choices. I promise to share a free resource with you that will teach you how to live a balanced life. That resource is balancedwillhealth.com. If you want to learn more about improving your life and how to achieve a harmonious life, enroll in our free Balanced Will Health course today. Remember, a life of harmony is an achievable goal, and this course offers a practical way to help you realize that outcome. Now I have a favor to ask. Please like our video, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, leave a comment. When you leave a comment, please share a little about your journey. By doing so, you will help someone else with their journey. Thank you.